Tired of seeing the dreaded Barclays Error Code 1363 pop up and block you from accessing your account? Let's squash this bug together. First, let's try the simplest solution: clear the app's cache, navigate to your phone's settings. Then find Apps or Application Manager from here. Locate Barclays in the list of installed apps. Tap on Barclays, and then select Storage. You should see options to clear cache and clear data. Tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that might be causing the error, without deleting your login information. If clearing the cache doesn't work, the next step is to make sure you're running the latest version of the Barclays app. Head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Barclays, and if there's an update available, tap Update. Outdated apps can sometimes cause compatibility issues that trigger error codes. A quick update might be all you need. Once the update is complete, try opening the app again. Still no luck? It's time to bring in the experts. Contact Barclays customer support directly. You can usually find their contact information on the Barclays website or within the app itself. Explain that you're receiving error code 1363 and that you've already tried clearing the cache and updating the app. They may have specific solutions tailored to your account or the nature of the error. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these steps has helped you resolve the Barclays Error Code 1363. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below if you're still experiencing issues.